Hello, I'm Nathan Olson, and I'm going to be recording my Ethernet cables. Here we have the cable A, cable B, and then our crossover. The crossover is just a combination between cable A and B. So this side, as you can see, is cable B. All the ports are there, all of them touching the sides. The cable itself is crimped in. And then on this side, this would be cable A. The green is starting. That's how I would know. I flip it around. It's crimped well. Up here, it's fully to the front. And then our A cable. This one starts with green. All of it completely to the front, being crimped in. And then it's also crimped down. The clip is clipping the sheath. And the other side, cable A, flip it around all the way to the front. It is unfortunately poking out the top, which makes it a bit sloppy. And it might cause a short between the two, making the cable not work as well. But it's fully crimped, fully pinched down, all the way to the front. And then our B cable, right here, as you can see, B. This one, wrong side. This one is a B, all the way to the front. Clip down, all the way up. It is also poking through, which is unfortunate. I tried cleaning it up. And then on the other side, there's B on this with green in the middle, orange and brown on the outsides, all the way to the front and all the way clipped. So these are my Ethernet cables, and I'm gonna go turn them in now.